Hey everyone, welcome to LifeThoughtsCamera YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be reviewing the Tulip cotton pads and tell you how it exactly worked out for me. About the brand. The Tulip brand started in the year 1998, and on the packaging, it is mentioned as made in India. They create almost all cotton hygiene related products like cotton buds, special swabs, cotton balls, and also include pre-sterilized absorbent cotton rolls and cotton plates, along with cotton-based medical disposables. The range also includes high-quality white birch toothpicks, skewers, barbecue sticks of different kinds. Do check out the description box for the website link. If you're interested in the brand Tulip, do save this playlist of mine. I'll be adding all my future Tulip videos here. Where did I buy it from? I bought this from a website called Nykaa. They ship all over India. Do check out the description box for the shopping link. Cost and warranty of the product. The pad costs 80 rupees for 50 pieces. As for lifespan, it is best before 5 years from the date of manufacturing. Don't forget to check out my nail art and nail care playlist. I have posted over 80 videos. Claims of the product. Claims are that it is lint-free, stitched edges, and has dual texture. The ingredients. Nothing is mentioned on the packaging. Please save this playlist of mine to see all the cotton pad related videos that I've posted and will post in the future. Product packaging. The cotton pads come in a clear sealed plastic packaging. My experience. I always like a product that has 100% seal. This way, I know that I'm getting a product that has not been tampered with. I'm not sure if this is a problem with this particular piece that I bought, but as you can see, this press-on has completely separated from the plastic packaging, making it impossible to close the bag and store it. The white cotton pads are circular in shape and feel soft upon touch, and it is also fragrance-free. I also like the size, which is 5.5 centimeters in diameter. It is just big enough to hold on comfortably. If you're just interested in nail art designs, then save this playlist in your library and be notified when I add my next video. How I use the cotton pad. I mainly use them for removing nail polish and prefer to use the embossed side of the pad. And even though it is embossed, I don't feel any ridges or bumps whenever I use it. Pros and cons. It is wallet friendly. It is very travel friendly. Since the packaging is clear, I can see how much of the product is still left. The Tulip brand and PETA website does not mention anything. It is easily available for me. It is fragrance free. My rating. I rate this product a 3. It loses points because some of the information was either not mentioned or available. I have not found anything better in the market, and until I do, I don't mind using this. Also, if you're interested in lifestyle, do check out my other videos. Now, don't forget to thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit on the bell icon to receive notifications. Bye!